In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney as a photographer. So there's a lot of potential that Midjourney can have to help you as a photographer. If you want to create a photorealistic image of something, that is totally possible. And you can create a ton of different styles depending on what kind of style you want. So first of all, I'll show you how I made this. This is just a photorealistic image of a glass, and you can see that it is stylized. I got this prompt here, and the way I did this is I went on ChatGPT and I said to it, create a visual prompt that I can use on Midjourney, which will generate me photorealistic photo of a glass. And it ended up giving me a prompt here, which I then put into Midjourney. Now, this way isn't very good, I don't find, because it's pretty random. And if you want to get a good result every single time, I'd recommend going to this website called PromptBase. Now, from here, you can type in anything. So, photorealistic food. Let's say we're a food photographer, photorealistic food. On the left, I can click Midjourney. And now here, it's going to generate us photorealistic food. So if you're a food photographer, for example, this can be so useful. So let's look on here. You can see these foods look absolutely amazing. Like this is an amazing photo that could be used for an ad, for example. Some of them look weird, like this just doesn't look right, but some of them look good. So the way you would generate these kind of images is go to here and by this you press get prompt and you'll be able to use this. Now if you had a specific food that you needed to take a photo of, you could take a photo of it, upload that photo, and then you could imagine that photo in this style. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked.